In 1952, amid the Korean War, a single reading room opened in Mudokjeon Hall of Gyeongsangnam-do provincial government. The National Assembly Library of Korea began its journey with one librarian and a collection of about 3,600 books. It supported legislative and parliamentary activities with an unwavering commitment to democracy, and remained steadfast throughout the upheavals of the Republic of Korea. Over the years, the National Assembly Library has persevered as the info arsenal of democracy. Now, 75 years later, the National Assembly Library stands as a world-class parliamentary library that provides outstanding services to the National Assembly and the public. The library functions as a treasury of national knowledge and information built on decades of expertise. To share this value more broadly, the library operates the Korean Association for Research Information, Korea's largest digital information sharing network. Furthermore, the library acts as a global knowledge and information platform by expanding its global cooperation network. The National Assembly Library provides a wide range of parliamentary information services as the root of information, supporting evidence and database legislative and policy decision-making. The library offers information on current issues, from customized parliamentary and legal reference services to timely publications on legislation and policy. Through services such as the weekly series, which highlight the latest knowledge and legislative trends from Korea and around the world, the National Assembly Library has established a timely information system designed to support legislative activities. The National Assembly Digital Library also supports legislative activities through its extensive full-text database, including academic papers, policy reports, and legislative materials. With various information systems like the National Strategy Portal that collects reports from over 1,300 government agencies and think tanks across 22 countries, by combining its accumulated academic and parliamentary data with artificial intelligence, the library delivers intelligent information services that enhance legislative capabilities and strengthen democratic parliamentary activities. And these activities lead to a new tomorrow for all 300 members of the National Assembly and 50 million citizens.
홈페이지나 전자도서관 이용하는 국민들이 그걸 또 이렇게 AI한테 질문도 하면 답이 또 이렇게 나올 수 있고, 우리 국회 도서관도 절대 뒤처지지 않고 AI 서비스를 하여튼 끊임없이 개발하려고 합니다.
Looking ahead, the National Assembly Library envisions a future in which legislative activities are more efficient and the benefits of knowledge are accessible to everyone. It organically integrates various AI services into a specialized library agent for a better tomorrow. As part of this vision, the library's book curation service proactively identifies and provides the latest information. Each month, it recommends and showcases books on diverse themes, serving as an active information service that promotes knowledge sharing. Open to both members of the National Assembly and the public, the reading rooms are vibrant spaces where knowledge and information come to life. The National Assembly Busan Library, the first National Assembly's regional branch library, serves the southeastern region as both a parliamentary and public library. The National Assembly Library serves as a shared source of knowledge and information for all, creating synergy.
오직 국민만을 바라보고 국민의 명령만을 따르겠습니다. 그리고 국민 앞에 성과로 증명하겠습니다.
The National Assembly Library of Korea connects the National Assembly with the people. As the info arsenal of democracy, the National Assembly Library lights the way to a better tomorrow.